In this video we're going to be exploring the benefits of layers and creating different colored layers within a complex drawing. As you can see here, we have a planned survey of a car park, a road, some planting, an existing building and a proposed building. These are all created in different colored layers, as it is very easy to distinguish the different parts of the drawing. From my layers manager here, I can click the down arrow, which gives me access to all my different layers. Here we have, for example, the existing building, which is in blue, which we can see over here. Now, this little light bulb here indicates to us that the layer is on. If I click that light bulb, as you can see, the existing building on the drawing to the right has disappeared. To click it again, it reappears. Okay, let's put this into practice. I'm going to create two rectangles, one outer rectangle and one inner rectangle, just as a means of explaining layers. Okay, but before I begin, I'm going to create my two layers. So in my layers ribbon up here, I am going to go to my layer properties, which manages the layers and layer properties. Click it, and now we're into our layer manager. There are two ways to create a new layer. You can either right click in this space here and select new layer, which I will, and I will name this as outer border. I'm going to choose a color by clicking on the color box there. I'm going to give that a color for red, and OK. The second way to create a layer is by clicking this little layer icon here, the new layer icon, and as you can see, you're prompted to enter in a name for a new border. So I'm going to call this inner border. And I'm going to give this a color of green. OK. Green arrow to accept, and our X arrow, our X icon here to close the window. So I'm going to create two rectangles. I'm going to start here in my layer of outer border, which is going to be red. Choose the rectangle, just any size rectangle, it doesn't matter. It's just for the purpose of the exercise. Now, that is my outer border. I now want to offset roughly 120 millimeters inside this. Now, this is our inner border, but as you can see, it is red, which I have denoted as my outer border. To change this, we just highlight the inner border, go up to our layers drop down manager here, and select the inner border. And as you can see, it is changed to green. Once again, to turn a layer on or off, we select the little light bulb here, which simply turns the layer on or off.